guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have my top 5 online bookstores from where you can shop books online. These websites have been personally tested by me so that you get the best quality for the lesser prices. The first website is Crossword. You might have heard about this bookstore and now this bookstore is online to serve you. As you can see, the website is pretty easy to use and everything has been divided into categories so that you know what exactly you're looking for. Apart from books, there are also toys, accessories, gifts and stationery also. In the books column, there are many categories like the bestsellers, the recommendations, new arrivals, handpicked books and whatnot. I was so happy that the bestseller column had many books by the Indian authors. I think it's high time that we appreciate the Indian authors and give them the appreciation they need, because we always tend to get bent over to the foreign authors to read our books. So for this website, I bought The Fault in Our Stars. I had lost my previous one and this website was giving me a good deal. I was happy with the shipping time and the overall experience. The book arrived in great condition and there was nothing I could complain for. I have inserted a clip of the book in this video you can see afterwards. The second website is our favorite, Amazon. This website has never disappointed me when it comes to books. The great deals, the best books and everything as I want. Amazon is the website I get most of my books from. As you can see, the books page of this website is very pretty. Everything has been divided into categories and the categories are further divided into subcategories. There are top authors, most gifted, hot new releases, most wished for and bestsellers. You might not know, but Amazon has a great collection of all the collectible classics books. As you can see, there are many Barnes & Noble collections from which you can choose for. If you have Amazon Prime, then it's even better because you will get free deliveries 1 day or 2 days and also no shipping will be charged. You can see the reviews and photos if you want to get an idea of what the book will actually look like. Because sometimes what you think might be a big book will not be that much bigger, so it's always better to look at the dimensions. I have inserted a clip of some of the books that I recently got from Amazon so that you can get an idea of what condition you will receive the books in. By the way, the condition is great. You might have heard about the Big Book Box, that is one of the biggest book subscriptions in India. This is their website that is dedicated to books by the name Chapter 1 Bookstores. As you can see, the website is pretty easy to use like the other ones. Everything has been divided into categories so you can see what you want. They have sales going on from time to time so you can check out for great deals for the books that you want. The best thing about Chapter 1 bookstores is that they offer book bundles. So if there's a new release in the market, you can always check out the website because they might be offering some free lapel pins, a book sleeve, a tote bag or some bookmarks with the book. You know you're getting a great deal when you get these things. and that is the best thing about the website. Also, every new release, they are the first ones to launch them in India. So the next website is Books and Beyond. They're not particularly a bookstore, actually they're a book subscription service, but they offer some collector's edition and some classics or new releases at pretty good deals. Even here you can also get some free stuff like lapel pins, pouches and whatnot. So it's always better to check out these websites if you need to buy something like a collector edition or a new release. The last website is Bookchore. Now Bookchore sells second-hand and used books. Personally for me, whenever I want to get a book that is expensive in the market or I do not have the budget for it, I tend to get the second-hand ones because they are easy on the pocket and it's a great experience to get a book from someone else's collection. Whenever you will visit the website, you will see some great sales going on. Right now around Independence Day, they had some tote bags offer and some bookmarks offer also. Now you might be wondering what is the condition of the book that you're getting or how do you know that you're getting a good book. You do not need to worry about the conditions because Bookchore is pretty transparent when it comes to that. They will tell you which type of condition you are getting at what price. As you can see, the good is the least expensive and the new is the most expensive. They also have a condition chart which will tell you what type of book you can expect at what condition. Everything is mentioned there along with the photos. The shipping time is fast and the conditions in which the book arrived packed are pretty great. You can always try this website when you want some second-hand books. You can always check out this website for some rare and collectible editions because they also offer that at minimal prices. You can see the conditions of the book in the next clip that I have inserted. That's it for today guys. I hope you find this video enjoyable and helpful. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel and like this video so that I can know that I have to deliver you these videos fast. Until we meet again, keep reading, keep sharing. Bye.